Yes, my people, you don't know say artist this. Just a forward in, you see me? Off of the road, you see it. Yeah, man. And I see a little thing on the internet with a female talk about the general bounty killer. Years now, me I hear about this female. Me hear all vybz kartel DJ about this female when the man bounty killer clash. You understand me, people? Years me I hear about this female. And to me I hear a ears bounty killer. As current to what me I hear and what's in on the social media, it seemed bounty killer was involved with this female at some point in my life. You understand? But my question is, my people, some of the time you in a relationship and it not work out. Some of the time you walk away peaceful, and some of the time you walk away in a vibes, you know. But this relationship to me, it seemed like the killer and this female break up under vibes, you know. And this was quite some time. But my question is, all of this time, this female and bounty killer break up for so many years. Why is it now she seemed to come out and come with her little style, like, you know, like she don't want to mix the general in a, you know, certain way. When I look upon this female, you know what me see? I see clout chasing and seeking attention. When I look at that female, me no see nothing like no honesty in her. You know, she look like one of them women with make up story to get her attention. I'm a believer that she do. Trust me. I believe that she do. Because so many years and bounty killer break up. Or you never come attack bad against bounty one day yet. What? You see everybody a turn star, so you want piece of the stardom too. That's not the way you go by it. By talk, say you're bounty killer in things alone that will make people recognize you. You no need for you try throw the general under the bus with your lies. You understand? That's a bad way of starting out. You know? Because remember the world of bounty killer, you know? So with you now, when I have no name, if you come out and I go against bounty certain way, you don't go make people hate you and not like you. You understand? Me I tell you the truth, sister. Me look right through you. Even your smile and where you're going with. It's all fake. And tell you the truth, me not buy that story there. I me not feel nobody about it neither. Yeah, man, I don't know say artist is some people. One chap. Don't know forward and talk the real thing them. Not like it might be, but how it is. You understand? Anyway, I say big up bounty killer general. Anyway, don't know. Touching out.